Alrighty guys, bikes are loaded and kids are being a real pain right now, but we're gonna go get the energy out. And we just got this new action camera, so we're gonna use it for this entire vlog and see how it performs. So we're heading to York again, try and hit some jumps. Kids like the kids tracks, so we'll see you guys in about an hour.
Hi, Dada.
Look at all the utes. What'd I tell ya? Look at this, guys. Nah, it's not green. And it's very muddy. Yeah, this should be a lot of fun. Give it a little gas. Yeah. Remember, you gotta put your kickstand up and then go, go, go! Go, Leon, go! Remember your brakes. Hey-ya! Oh yeah, good amount of gas. What are you doing? You okay? Yes, I mistakenly sprayed, instead of brake cleaner, WD-40 on my brakes. Genius Einstein move. And yeah, they're definitely not working very well. Because mine's a motocross bike. If I'm jumping, it's gonna drop. What the heck? What the heck? Wow. Captain Morgan's on the Pee Wee 50. Are you going to be a freestyler when you grow up, huh?
Dad, I didn't even look and I just still made it.
Nice. You're doing some cool tricks.
I thought it'd be like
Freestyle guys?
jump guys. Like,
Yeah, the
so
jumpers.
I could do what I could cool.
I like
space.
it. Oh, that was crazy. Boys think they're in a freestyle competition without the ramps. Doing feet moves and all sorts of weird things. Always a good day out here at York. Mad. Stay out of the mud, bro. Ugh. Roosted me, bro. Look at the mud on that guy. You did a no-hander.
Yeah.
Cool.
And I was looking back.
Yeah. Oh! You okay? You alright? No? You hurt your leg? My leg! Yeah, well. That's why you should have knee pads. I keep telling you guys.
Yeah.
Huh?
Bring me knee pads.
It's not out of gas.
Have knee pads.
Woohoo! Yeah, tricks, eh? Okay. Now we got another bike drama. Okay, looks like you're in neutral. Now try. No, now push it down. No. Oh yeah, good job. Nice. Another day at York. Bike's good and dirty. Few good sends. Boys had fun?
I'm dirty Dan. I'm dirty Dan.
You're Dirty Dan. Did you have fun?
Yes. I'm dirty Dan. I'm dirty Dan.
Till next time, eh? What do you say? Like and
Subscribe.
that's it.